Dave knows how.
What you got, boy? What you got up that tree? You got something up in there? Huh? You got something up in that tree? What you got? You got something going on over there. What's in there? You gonna dig it out? Oh, here he goes. There he goes. You gonna dig that thing out of there, boy? Now don't you get your head hung up in that hole. Lord have mercy. Look at that hair dude now. You got dirt all up underneath there. Oh, don't you chase no bobcat up out of there. Don't you chase no bobcat out of there. Get hold of Pop. Something's living in there. You like playing in the woods, don't you, boy? I think we're going to take this tree down right here to make this turn. This turn right here is kind of sharp. We're going to bring a gravel truck down here and put some gravel. It's going to go on up that way. But I'm thinking I'm going to take this tree out so I can kind of sweep that thing around. Plus we got a muddy mess down here. And yeah, so anyway, got to try to work that out some kind of way. Anyway, I thought maybe if I made a sweeping 90 turn, it would be easier on the dump truck, and it'd be easier on the dump trailer too, because I'm planning to try to take, I was loading over there, but I'm thinking if I can get this dump trailer back here, way back there, I got a big pile of dirt back here I want to get. All right, let's get back on it. Alright, the battery went dead. I'm not sure how much I got recorded, but I was talking about all this mud out here. It's been raining all day, pretty much, off and on. But when it does rain, it rains a lot, heavy. But anyway, I tried to push on the tree with the backhoe. I could see the earth moving underneath it, but it wasn't really pushing it over. And I don't like to push over trees this big with the backhoe. It's too risky. The boom cylinder is a lot bigger than the other cylinders, so the boom cylinder can overstress the other cylinder and bend it. Anyway, and I done already been up some cylinders, so I'm not looking to bend no more. I may get a rope and go tie it off up that tree right there and string it out that way, and maybe around a tree or a snatch block or something, hook it to the tractor and then pull back this way and try to lay that thing right down through there. Originally we was going to lay it down where the road goes straight this way. In fact, I cleared out some area for it, but the natural lean of this thing is more on that road over there. I don't know, it's hard to tell. But I swear, the more I look at it, the more I think that thing is falling over right now. I mean, it looks like it's moving just a little bit at a time, but it looks like it's moving to me. I don't know, I'm going to sit here and watch it a minute. Let the video run, and then I can check the video and see, you know, if it did move. But I swear it I don't know. I mean, to me it looks like it's leaning pretty hard. I pushed on it and it moved. It definitely moved. I didn't want to push on it too hard because I don't want to bend you know, the backhoe cylinder. And with all this mud, I can't get no traction to push it with the front end loader. It just spins in the mud. It's a lot of mud. I guess I'm gonna have to get a rope or chain or something and pull it over. because I don't want to dig much deeper than what I've dug. I'm already going to have a hole where this comes out of. That I'm going to have to get some red clay to go in from somewhere. And what a mess! Wow. Well, I hope I got that. I don't know, battery might be dead. Hey, the camera's still going. I must have got it. Maybe. Who knows? Alright. Battery's dead. So we're going to shut this camera down. And
don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.